Welcome to Tech Help Guy, and today I'm going to show you how to download movies on Netflix. So, first, open your Netflix application and then open your profile. It's up to you, like what you're going to pick, which profile. Just click on that and then scroll down and search whatever movie or TV show or anime do you want to download. Just for example, I'm gonna click the Titanic movie. And basically, you can see play and download. You just need to click download and it will start downloading. You just need to wait for it and then you can watch it while you're not connected to any internet connection. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this tutorial. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe in this YouTube channel for more quick tips and tutorial